What motivates me is doing well for my family, being good in my career, striving to be the best rugby player I can be and best dad and husband I can be. When I was able to find wheelchair rugby, it provided me a community of guys around me to invest in me and teach me some of the things that I wasn't quite sure of in everyday life. It's almost like a support group, and then you get to go and smash each other, so it's kind of a neat deal that way. So what's cool about my day is every day is different. Some days there's at least once or twice a week that I'm home with the kids, being what I call daddy daycare. And yeah, the challenges are different. They are. My everyday life's different than someone that's not in a chair. But you get a choice. You get a choice to be positive, you get a choice to be negative. Hopefully I'm able to make the right choice each day. Yeah, the VMI van's been great. What's awesome about the van is the ramp, what I call dropping the anchor. And so when I drop anchor, all the kids, they all run up the ramp, which is fun for them. And then I roll up and there's so much room to where I can boom, turn around, 360 degrees, get them all dialed in that way.
Let's see who can get their buckles on the fastest, all right? Go, 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 go. No, not right, no.
Another convenient part for the adaptability of the van is transfer seat. I can turn it, up, down, whatever I need to do when my rugby chair's in there. So that's been huge. And as far as my wife goes, I think just the convenience of everything has been great for her too. Big part of it with the van, the VMI van, and the convenience of it, the independence of it, is being able to go places by myself with the kids. Because of the VMI van, to where it's so easy. It's definitely been a game changer for my family and I, and hopefully it can be for other families out there as well.